brother sometimes because he's really, really annoying. But I guess sometimes when he's not being really, really annoying, so mostly just my mom and my friends.
Me personally, I'm grateful for my family and mashed potatoes.
I am grateful for my daughter and the school and all of you. I love being here, so thank you. I'm grateful for my sister.
I am grateful for this life every day. When I became older, I understand and I appreciate every minute here because every minute teach me of this life. I am grateful. And I'm grateful that you near me.
I'm grateful for my dry erase markers. Oh yeah.
No. Okay, fine. Me personally, I am extremely grateful for my friends and especially my sister for dragging me into every single thing that I've liked ever. Which includes drawing, which is basically my life now, so okay. Tia?